Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to Abhishek Jalan for You YouTube channel. I am Abhishek Jalan and today we are diving into something that's redefining productivity, that is Microsoft 365 Copilot. Now imagine having a tool that understands your needs, automates tedious tasks and give you a freedom to focus on what truly matters. So that exactly what Microsoft 365 Copilot does. So in this video, we will explore its features, how it works, and why it is a game changer. So let's get started. So let's take a look at today's agenda. So here is what we will cover in this session. So we will start with overview of Microsoft 365 Copilot and we'll understand what Microsoft 365 Copilot is and why it is a groundbreaking innovation. We will also explore its potential to enhance productivity, boost creativity, and simplify how we work with this information. Moving ahead, we will explore key functionalities and benefits, where we will break down Copilot's capabilities like content creation, data analysis, enhanced communication, and customized presentations. And we'll also highlight how these features can transform the way you work. Then we will dive a bit deeper and explore how Microsoft 365 Copilot actually works and its operational mechanisms. This includes how it integrates large language models that are also called as LLMs with your organization's data through Microsoft Graph and how it seamlessly works with Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Moving further, we will talk about core components, where we will look under the hood and understand the components that make Copilot so powerful, from the advanced AI tools to the tools that deliver personalized and context aware results. Finally, we will talk about Microsoft's commitment to responsible uh, AI approach. This ensures that Copilot operates with privacy, security, and fairness at its core, empowering user while maintaining trust. So, by the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of how Microsoft 365 Copilot can revolutionize your workflow and help you achieve more with less efforts. So, let's get started. Now, let's dive into an overview of Microsoft 365 Copilot. So, a tool that is truly changing the game when it comes to productivity and creativity. So, what is Microsoft 365 Copilot? At its core, it is an AI powered assistant that is designed to help you work smarter and not harder. Copilot combines Microsoft advanced AI technologies like large language models with your organization data from Microsoft Graph, which assist seamlessly integrating into apps you already use daily like Word, Excel, Teams, and PowerPoint. So here are the key things that you need to know about Microsoft 365 Copilot. Boosting productivity. So Copilot help you to save time by automating repetitive tasks. Uh, Imagine this: you are writing a report, and instead of starting from scratch, you can simply ask Copilot draft a summary of last month's sales report, and it provides you with a fully written draft in seconds that you can edit later on. It helps you to unlocking creativity. Now, creativity is often blocked by routine tasks. So, Copilot changes that by acting as a brainstorming partner. For instance, it can generate ideas for marketing campaigns or create visual presentations based on your own descriptions. Enhancing understanding. Have you ever been overwhelmed by the sea of data or a long email thread? So Copilot simplifies this by summarizing information, identifying trends, and even presenting insights in a way that's easy to understand and act upon. Seamless integration. So here is where Copilot really shines. It embed directly into your tools you are already familiar with, like Words for drafting document, Excel for data analysis, Teams for communication, and PowerPoint for presentations. It transforms these applications into AI-powered tools that respond to natural language instructions. You don't have to learn anything new. Just tell Copilot what you need in plain English. So now you might be wondering, how does it do all of this? So here is the magic formula. So large language models, LLMs. So these advanced AI models understand and process human languages. These are what make Copilot capable of generating meaningful and context aware responses. Next is Microsoft Graph. So this connects your organization data like email, documents, and meetings, giving Copilot the context it needs to provide intelligent and relevant assistance. Microsoft 365 apps. So these apps you use every day are now powered by AI, making them smarter and more intuitive than ever before. So in short, Microsoft 365 Copilot is more than just an assistant. It's a game changer. So by leveraging AI to handle repetitive tasks, providing creative support, and simplifying complex information, Copilot empowers you to focus on the work that really matters. It is not about replacing human ingenuity, but enhancing it. It gives you tools to work faster, think bigger, and achieve more. And this is just the beginning of what's possible with AI powered productivity tools like Copilot. Now talk let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects of Microsoft 365 Copilot, that's its functionality and benefits. So this is where the power of AI truly shines, transforming how we work across Microsoft 365 apps. Copilot is not just an assistant; it's your productivity partners. It helps you with everything from creating content to analyzing data and improving communication. Now let's dive deeper into these functionalities and the incredible benefits that they bring. So first, let's look at the content generation. Imagine you are writing a report, a proposal, or even a blog post. So instead of writing with a blank page, Copilot does the heavy lifting for you. You can ask it to create a draft report on Q4 performance, and it will instantly provide a structured document. It can even rewrite your content to suit tones like professional, conversational, or creative. It and saving you hours of writing and editing time. So it benefit by speeding up your content creation, ensuring consistent quality and tone, and frees you to focus on refining ideas rather than drafting them from scratch. Now let's talk about data analysis in Excel. So Copilot simplifies data heavy tasks. It formats data, creates pivot tables, and identifies trends effortlessly. You can ask, what are the top performing products this quarter? And Copilot generates an answer complete with the graphs and insights. This make even complex data analysis accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. So this benefit by reducing manual effort and your chances for error. It helps you to make faster and data driven decision. It allows you to present your data in visually impactful ways. So effective communication is key to productivity, and Copilot excels here too. Like in Outlook and Teams, Copilot help you to draft email based on the key points that you provide. It summarizes long email threads or chat conversations, ensuring you never miss critical details. It also highlight action items and decisions from meetings, keeping everyone enlightened. So, for example, you can say summarize today's project meeting, and Copilot will deliver a concise and clear summary. So it benefits by saving time by automating routine communication tasks. It reduces the risk of overlooking important details. It also keeps teams aligned and focused. Creating professional presentations can be time consuming, but Copilot makes it seamless. With PowerPoint, you can generate entire presentations by simply discovering what you need. For example, create a slide deck for our marketing strategy for 2025. You can customize designs, animations, and layouts with a single command. You can even get suggestions for better visuals or infographics to enhance your slides. Uh, Benefit is it simplifies the presentation creation process. It improves the quality and impact of your slides, and it also allows you to focus on the story that you are telling, not on the design work. Um, these functionalities aren't just about convenience, they fundamentally change the way we work. By automating repetitive tasks, Copilot lets you focus on your strategic priorities. It provides suggestions and ideas to inspire innovation. It makes complex process intuitive and accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. Now let's explore how these components work. So Microsoft 365 Copilot uses your organization data that you as an individual have access to. Uh, it maps this data and relationships, providing personalized, relevant, and actionable information. Your data remains secure with the Microsoft 365 service boundary, adhering to existing security compliance and privacy policies. So now let's explore this workflow diagram that is on the screen. So in step number one, Copilot receives an input prompt from a user in an app such as Word or PowerPoint. Copilot then pre-processes the user prompt through an approach called grounding, which improves the specificity of the prompt to help you get answers that are relevant and actionable to your specific task. Copilot then sends this prompt to LLM for processing. Copilot only accesses data that an individual user has access to, based on, for example, existing Microsoft 365 role based access controls. Copilot takes the response from LLM and post processes it, and then this post processing include other grounding calls to Microsoft Graph, responsible AI checks, security, compliance, and privacy reviews, and command generations. And then Copilot returns the response back to the app, where user can review and access the response. Now that we understand how Microsoft Copilot operates, let's break it down further into its core components. These components work together seamlessly to power Copilot's capabilities, making it a cutting edge productivity tool. So, here are the key pillars from the foundation of Microsoft 365 Copilot. So the first core component is large language models that are also called as LLMs. So LLMs are the advanced AI models that are trained on vast data sets to understand and generate human-like texts. They are at the heart of Copilot's ability to interpret natural language prompts, generate meaningful and context aware responses, tailor the output to meet specific needs like tone, styles, and formatting. For example, if you say draft a professional email to follow up with our sales pitch, the LLM understands the context and produces a ready to send email that's professional and relevant. LLM brings intelligence and flexibility to Copilot, enabling it to understand not just what you say, but what you mean making it intuitive and user friendly. The second core component is natural language processing. So, natural language processing, that is also called as NLP, is a pivotal AI technology that helps machines understand, interpret, and respond to human languages in a way that's meaningful. And some of the key components that are involved are tokenizations. So it simplifies complex paragraphs by breaking down text into smaller chunks like words and phrases. Semantic analysis. So this helps Copilot understand the underlying meaning or context. Sentiment analysis. This helps Copilot to access the mood or emotions behind a text. Copilot can understand user intent more accurately. Language translations. So adds in multilingual task allowing Copilot to assist user across different languages. So NLP is integral to Microsoft 365 Copilot as it bridges the gap between human languages and machine understanding. The third core component is Microsoft Graph, which serve as the backbone of Copilot's contextual awareness. So Microsoft Graph connects your organization data, including emails and chats, meetings and calendars, documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. So this connectivity enables Copilot to access and process data that are relevant to your request. Microsoft Graph also ensures that Copilot responses are accurate, contextually relevant, and personalized to your organization need. It turns scattered data into actionable insights. The fourth core component is the suite of Microsoft 365 apps. So these are the tools that you use every day now, enhanced with the power of AI. Copilot integrates directly into the apps like Word, to draft and refine documents, Excel to analyze data and create visualization, PowerPoint to generate professional presentations from scratch, Teams to summarize conversations and highlight actionable high insights, and Outlook to draft email and summarize trends. So these integrations make Copilot accessible and practical. So as it works where you work, whether that's drafting a document, analyzing data, or preparing for a meeting. So this synergy is what makes Microsoft 365 Copilot so powerful. It combines the intelligence of LLMs, the contextual awareness of Microsoft 365, and practicality of Microsoft Graph to deliver seamless productivity. These core components are essential for enabling Copilot to provide contextual intelligence as it understands the specific cases of your request based on your organization data. Enable seamless integration as it works directly within the tools that you already use. Enhance productivity by automating tasks and delivering actionable insights. It frees up your time for more strategic work. Now, let's talk about critical aspect of Microsoft 365 Copilot. That is Microsoft's commitment to responsible AI. So, as we embrace the transformative power of AI, it is essential to use that it is developed and used responsibly. Microsoft has established a strong foundation of principles and practicals to guide the design, development, and deployment of AI technologies. So let's dive into these key commitments. Fairness. So Microsoft is dedicated to ensuring fairness in AI. So Copilot is designed to deliver unbiased results regardless of the context or user. AI systems are regularly evaluated to prevent discriminatory behavior and ensure outcomes are fair for all users. This commitment to fairness ensures that everyone can benefit from AI technologies without any bias or unintended consequences. Transparency. Transparency is another cornerstone of Microsoft's responsible AI practices. So, Microsoft is committed to providing clear explanations about how AI models like Copilot works. Users are informed about how AI generates responses and where the data comes from and the reasoning behind its output. This transparency helps users build trust and ensures users feels confident on relying on Copilot for their work. Reliability and safety. So rigorous testing ensures that Microsoft's AI platform performs consistently and safely. Accountability. Accountability plays a key role in Microsoft's AI strategy. Microsoft employs AI ethics review processes to evaluate and address potential risk in its AI systems. Dedicated teams are present to ensure that AI technologies are designed and deployed responsibly, aligning with Microsoft principles of ethical AI. Users and organizations maintain control over their data and decisions, ensuring that Copilot serves as a tool to empower and but not to replace human judgment. Inclusiveness. AI tools are crafted to be accessible and beneficial for everyone, regardless of physical ability, gender, or authenticity. Privacy and security. At the heart of Microsoft's responsible AI approach uh, uh, is the commitment to privacy and security. Microsoft ensures that your data remains yours, and here is what it means in practical. So your data is not used to train AI model, and you can be confident on that. The insights that Copilot generates are based on your organization data, which stay within the boundary of your Azure tenant. Data protection is embedded into every aspect of Copilot's design, which aligns it with industry leading standards and regulations like GDPR. Robust security measures safeguard your information, ensuring it remains private and secure. This focus on privacy means that you can trust Copilot to handle sensitive information without compromising on data integrity or ownership. So, together, this principle form the foundation of Microsoft approach to responsible AI. And by prioritizing privacy, transparency, fairness, accountability, reliability, and inclusiveness, Microsoft ensures that Copilot not only enhances productivity but also does in a way that is ethical and trustworthy. Now that we have reached the end for today's session, so thank you for listening to today's session, and I hope it has been informative to you. If you need any further help or want to connect, please leave a message in the chat section or send a connection request on LinkedIn. And please subscribe to Abhishek Jalan for you YouTube channel to keep listening the content. Cheers. Bye.